Welcome to my channel Tavakadamrutam Tapta Jeevanam.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। The nectar of instruction, text 2. नाना शास्त्र विचारणैक निपुणौ सद्धर्म संस्थापकौ लोकानां हितकारिणौ त्रिभुवने मान्यौ शरण्याकरौ राधा कृष्ण पदारविन्द भजना आनन्देन मत्तालिकौ वन्दे रूप सनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीव गोपालकौ। श्रील रूप गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरे हरि बोल। We discussed already about intoxication. Now gambling. Srila Prabhupada said, no gambling. We all promised at the time of initiation. No meat eating, no intoxication, no gambling. We all promised. Especially those of us who were initiated. Then, what is gambling? Gambling is that the outcome is not sure. That is gambling. So, it is uncertainty. When it gives you auspicious or inauspicious results, you can never be sure. Even the greatest of fighters, Arjuna, was not sure. So, unless we strictly follow the guidance of the spiritual master, we are gambling somehow or other. Only by following guidance of the spiritual master, we can be 100% sure. There is auspicious that come for us. The result cannot be materially comfortable. There was just showing one of the devotees. Before I came here, I had served 15 to 16 years. Finally, Krishna punishes me. He may be temple devotee. It appears like a greater reward, but it is a great punishment. It is a great punishment. For someone is very renounced these things. So, following the orders of the spiritual master for some years and obey him punishes him severely. But what appears to be inauspicious for materialistic person, it is a great source of joy. But for not spiritualist, taking trouble for Krishna, taking the punishment for Krishna. So gambling means acting outside of the interest of Krishna. Even Sita Devi, she acted outside of the Rama. So she was kidnapped by Ravana. Rama was not interested to go follow Maricha. He said, it is some kind of Rakshasa. Especially they knew that these acts of so many Rakshasas. Rama knew it. I don't want to go. But she can't hear. But she does not know. No. Beautiful dear. I want to take it to Ayodhya. 1 year only left. Okay, Lord Rama agreed. What were the consequences? What were the consequences? Sita was abducted. When you act outside of the spiritual master, that was really gambling. This is the promise you are making. I would not act outside of the spiritual master. In these 4 principles, Srila Prabhupada captured everything. In this purport, in the name Agraha, Srila Prabhupada wrote only 1 paragraph. If he starts explaining these things, disappointment, anger will arise. Only 1 sentence Srila Prabhupada gave. They should strictly follow the rules and regulations. So, gambling. Now, illicit sex. That is also very strict standard. For this one, Srila Prabhupada was very standard. Any sexual activity for the purpose other than begetting children for Krishna consciousness. Why is it illicit? Everything has purpose. When you use something for purpose, what is not intended, it is illicit. This microphone stand, when you use it for hammer or something, improper use of thing. So there is a purpose for which Krishna has created sex life, appropriation. And therefore, if someone engaged in other way, that is illicit sex. There is another level of illicit sex. Their desire for recognition is also described as consequence of illicit sex. For these to go together, someone who go for desire for recognition, that person also has the desire for sex life. Not necessarily within the principles of religion. So, we should follow these rules. Apart from these rules, there are many other rules. A neophyte devotee, I am not talking about karmis, jnanis, and so on. They have the rules. For karmis, the acceptance of various varna and ashrama dharma, varnashrama dharma processes, their occupational duties according to their propensity and observances, their sense flavors. This is enjoined. Those who are not yet advanced yet, they come to the platform of bhakti. They should accept the principles of varnashrama and they should avoid a sinful life. These are the rules for following of varnashrama dharma. These are 4 sins we discussed. Not talking about karmis, we are talking about bhaktas. That means the application of this principle be at a deeper level. Then what is for varnashrama followers? We can't at the same level. Although it may begin there, it must be at a deeper level. Then we become stronger devotee. But jnanis, renunciation and celibacy, maintaining mental balance, equanimity, sense control, these are prescribed and fruitive work for devotees, cultivating the loving relationship with the Supreme Lord as prescribed. The principles of Jnana Yoga are also prescribed. One should take them because for sadhana bhakti. I stop here. I will continue in next episode. श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे। हरे हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।